Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General to actually do this deal, and this store didn't have hardly anything. Didn't hardly have nothing, okay? Nothing. So I said, I'm going to bring something. I'm going to get something because I didn't came all the way to this store. So I'm going to bring something to my family, okay? To my YouTube family, I'm going to bring something. So, the first thing that I got was the Chere'er. The Chere'er 4-in-1 Oxy. They are $3 each for the Chere'er. And there is a, oh my goodness, I'm sorry, y'all, $1.75 off digital coupon that is attaching, okay? The next thing is the degree. The degree is $1 because this is a trial size, and we have those $1 exclusive digital coupons that is attaching also. Okay. The next thing is the Clorox. These Clorox are in the dollar aisle. Okay. They are $1 a piece, and it is attaching to a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching for this product. Now, you can get either the blue one or this yellow one. I think they have like an orange one, but that's not attaching. It's only the blue Clorox or this yellow, okay? So you have to buy 2 because the digital, if you still got that digital coupon, it's $1 off of 2, okay? The next thing and the last thing is these puffs. These puffs are $1.60, and there is a 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching to this puff cubes. Now, it's only certain puffs because I scanned another puff and it did not come up. The $1 off of 2 digital coupon did not come off. So this puff plus lotion on my number that I put in, it only comes up for this one. When I scanned it, because I always do the scan to see if the product comes up, the digital coupon comes up, and it's only on this one cube, okay? So yeah, after everything was scanned and all my digitals came off, y'all, my subtotal was $3.54. Yes, $3.54. Yes, this store didn't have nothing hardly. They barely even had associates, co-workers in there because it was only one girl that was actually in there because I guess they can't keep nobody. I don't know what's going on. They can't keep no one in these stores. Is just looking. Sometimes you go in there, the stores look good. I believe they can keep them like during the morning. But when it comes to the afternoon and, afternoon shift comes on, no one wants to work in the afternoon. I guess they went and found other jobs where they can work in the morning instead of the afternoon. I guess. I hope it gets better, y'all. But this right here is my Dollar General haul. Let me show you my receipt. All right. Here we go. There's the puff. Now, I did this on the U-Scan, okay? So that's why my receipt is looking different. So there's the puffs, $1.60. Both the Clorox, $1 each. The Chere'er is $3. Then some type of promotion. I guess it says $3 less promotion. You get they take 25 cents. I don't know what that is. I have the slightest clue. I'm going to have to look more into it. But I got 25 cents off. Then there's the degree. And then, let's see. Here is the Chere'er. $1.75 came off. The Clorox, $1 came off. The Degree, $1 came off. And then the Puff, 50 cents came off. And then my subtotal was, everybody's taxes is different. Let's see. I have to pay $3.54. And let's see my total savings. My total savings was $4.50. $4.50, y'all. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.